Hey, watch this video till the very end if you enjoy your work a lot, but the only thing that stops your progress is your time management or lack of time. You are extremely busy person. Because in this video I am going to share with you that secret strategy by which you can pull out those, you can see those extra 3 to 4 hours from your existing 24-hour schedule. And this you have never seen before. So Nilesh was talking to me, he's a researcher or a scientist basically, and he shared that Seema, biggest frustration for somebody scientist life is time, and there are so many time suckers in our life. For example, I need to write research projects, but I write very few of them because I can't afford spending so much time in thinking about that. I spend little time in meeting, but I hangover of that meeting is consuming lot of time because I cannot switch myself into the next activity immediately. My mind is occupied because I am not doing an administrative job where I can easily switch over from one activity to other activity. I can just forget that meeting, and that was torturing him so much. So is it something like you, someone like you, no time, extremely busy, damn busy? Basically, what is happening with you all guys? You're feeling that you are on a treadmill in a gym. You're working a lot, you're sweating a lot, you're burning your calories. Here in this case, you're burning your self-confidence, you're burning your productivity, you're killing it, right? And eventually, it is going to have a huge impact in your life, right? Slowly, people start losing self-confidence. People start feeling that I'm not good enough. And then if I don't respect myself, my team, my subordinates are not going to respect me. I'm losing that respect in my own eyes. And do you think that this is the pathway for a life that you want to live? If you are an ambitious person, is it going to lead you to the life that you desire, that you dream of? No, right? So now here is a time where you are going to put a complete end, a full stop to this painful life by doing this secret strategy that I am going to share with you. By the way, my name is Seema Ranavre. I am a life coach, especially to researchers and scientists, and author of Victim to Victory, co-author of Cut the Crap. Both these books are available on Amazon and Flipkart. So let's start with the activity. All you have to do is, first of all, don't change your routine for next 3 days. Keep doing the same things that you have been following since many months or years, right? So follow that routine, what you are doing, no change. Just observe what is happening. And you are going to create a table, not a timetable. Table with 3 columns, A, B and C. In column A, you are going to write time slots for entire 24 hours schedule broken into half an hour pieces. What do I mean by this? Say for example, I will start with morning 7 a.m. So first column 7 to 7:30. Say second row will be 7:30 to 8, 8 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9, so on for all 24 hours. So you are going to have 48 time slots, one time slot with 30 minutes. In second column, you are going to write activities that you do in that time frame. For example, I get up at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I have to fill up between 7 to 9. So 7 to 7:30, 7:30 to 8, 8 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9, I will say sleeping. Now I go to office. 9 to 7 p.m. I am in the office. So 9 to 7, you are not going to say office work. You are not going to say job. You are not going to say business. 9 to 7, this is very important part of your routine. What do you do in 9 to 9:30? For example, I drive. Then 9:30 to 10, what do you do in that time? You punch, you go for biometric. Then 10:30 to 11, you say good morning, you check your mails, whatever it is. So write exactly what you are doing in that 30 minutes. Now let's come to column number 3, the last column, where you are going to give rating to the actions or the activities you are doing. This rating is A, B or C. A means must do activity. For example, lunch, breakfast, planning, or going to the office. So these are the activities, these are very important. B is the activity, the rating means time could be saved. So you are taking more time than it is required. For example, 15 minutes meeting, you can create an outcome in 15 minutes, but you are spending 1 hour there. So that is B rating for that activity. Lunch, for example, you are taking lunch from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. You are spending 1 complete hour for lunch. That could be finished in 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So this comes under B. It is important, but it is time could be saved. Third rating is C. These are complete time wasters. For example, spending time on social media where you are not getting any value out of it. I'm not saying everything you do on social media is a wrong thing, but where you don't get value, it is not giving you happiness, it is not giving you freshness, it is not giving you learning, whatever it is, if it is not adding any value, then this is the time waster. For example, gossiping, complaining, moaning, talking unnecessary. So all these activities come under category C. Now you have given rating for all the actions you do, and this you are going to do for next 3 days. Commit to me, promise me that you are going to do this for next 3 days. This is very important activity. At the end of the 3 days, you are going to conclude something. What is that? If you have C's more in your schedule, in your routine, then that is a great news for you. It is very simple. You have to stop doing all the C grade activities and have maximum number of A's and B's. You know what are the activities? Those are giving you actual results. Talking to a client, selling. So all these things are actually giving you results. So more number of clients you speak to, your business will grow. Something like that. So this comes under category A. So now you have suppose 20% of your A activities, you can make it 40%, you can make it 60%, and cut down the other activities which are not producing results for you. So ultimate agenda is to cut down all the C's. Shift them from C to A, B to A, but if it is not possible in the beginning, at least you can cut down C and go from B to A. So slow journey is always advisable. Now what is the benefit of this? I remember guys, when you do this, you will come and tell me after 3 days that Seema, I got 3 to 4 hours extra, I'm so happy. By the way, no way I'm not telling you that you don't have buzz moments in your life, you don't have happy moments in your life. You can go for a movie. So when you're going for a movie once in a week, 3 hours, you can say that it is A grade activity because it is giving you pleasure, it is giving you freshness. You need some refreshment to your mind, right? You cannot say it is C. I'm saying any kind of value if you are not getting, then it is C. And cut it immediately, stop it immediately. Impact of this on your life. This is based on a very, very important principle that 80% of the result of your entire life has come from only 20% of the efforts. I repeat, 80% of the results in your life, the success in your life, you are getting only by 20% of the efforts you are taking. So remaining 80% of the efforts are waste. They are producing remaining 20% of the results, and we want to cut down on that. So now you have, by doing this, you have analyzed that what are those activities are producing results for me, those are bringing business for me, those are leading to my growth, and you will increase those activities in your schedule. That's it. Impact of this, just imagine that 20% is going to 40%. Your productivity is going from 80, you are adding 80% productivity, double the productivity. And this way you can multiply your time management, your productivity, you can multiply your team's productivity, and just wait and watch. If you do it for a couple of months, you will see compounding effects of this. And then you will have a life that you always dreamt of. You looked at some people and you felt that I want to be someone like him. You can lead a life like that person. That's incredible, right? Now I am coming to the very important part, last but not the least. If any one of you feel that you have maximum of A's in your report and still you are not productive, still you are not happy with the time management you are going through, then there is definitely some mental block, some belief system stopping you from achieving great success in your life. So all you have to do is click on the link below for one-on-one free discovery session with me, and we will discover those mental blocks that you have. By the way guys, my name is Seema Ranavre, mother of a naughty daughter, wife of a perfectionist husband, researcher turned into a lecturer, author, speaker and a coach. Help working professionals get unstuck in their life, especially researchers live a magnificent life by empowering their belief and by helping them discover themselves, their inner potential. So what are you waiting for? For any kind of questions for your own self-discovery, click on the link below in the description for one-on-one discovery session consultation with me. Bye bye. Stay tuned. See you soon.